A 100 ml beaker is initially filled with pure solution. 30 ml of solution is withdrawn and is replaced with equal amount of water. This process is repeated several times. Okay, 100 ml is your initial solution. You are removing 30 ml and replacing by equal amount of water. So in n transactions, the fraction remaining will be 100 minus 30 upon 100, the whole raised to n. 70 upon 100 is 0.7, the whole raised to n. So this is the fraction of the solution, okay, base solution remaining after n transactions. Okay, amount of acid left in the mixture after two solutions. For this, we substitute n is equal to 2. So 0.7 square kya ho jayega? 0.7 square is 0.49. So fraction of the after two transactions is 0.49. The initial capacity that you have taken is 100 ml, right? So the content 0.49 into 100, which will be 49 ml. This is the answer for the first part of the question, right? Next, after how many transactions will the concentration drop below 25%? Okay, so they are now asking you 0.75 raised to n. This should be less than 25%, is 25 by 100 or 0.25. Okay, this is supposed to figure out. Okay, now many times and rather always I tell you that if you're good with numbers, things will be really very easy, right? So if you know 7 ka square hota hai 14, sorry, so if you know 7 raised to 4th power, okay, that is 49 ka square 2401 hota hai. So 0.7 raised to 3, 7 cube ho jayega 343, so it will be 0.343 if you take n as 3. If you take n as 4 now, it will be 7 raised to 4, 2401, it will be 0.2401. राइट, हमें क्या चाहिए? ओके, 0.25 से कम होना चाहिए ना. 0.2401 is just less than 0.25. So after 3 transactions 0.343 होगा fraction. After 4 transactions 0.2401 होगा, right? So the answer is after how many transactions? After 4 transactions, the concentration of the base will drop below 25%. A jar contains a mixture of 175 ml water and 700 ml alcohol. Gopal takes out 10% of the mixture and substitutes it by water of the same amount. This process is repeated once again. The percentage of water in the mixture is now. Okay. Now forget that initially the ratio is 175 and 700 ml alcohol. Forget that. Okay. अगर हमने pure solution से शुरू किया होता, we saw in the previous example जब हमने discuss किया था milk वाला, okay, 10% से कम हो रहा है मतलब after 2 transactions, okay, it will become 0.9 the whole square. This percentage will change, right? 0.9 the whole square it will become. Okay, but initially we don't have pure alcohol solution, right? Okay, guys, sorry, cut. I'll take this question again. A jar contains a mixture of 175 ml water and 700 ml alcohol. Gopal takes out 10% of the mixture and substitutes it by water of the same amount. The process is repeated once again. The percentage of water in the mixture is now. Okay. Now, first of all, I'll solve this question, okay, by taking the dilution of alcohol. Okay, simple reason is in this question, the mixture is being removed and equal amount of water is being added, not alcohol, right? Isn't it? So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will assume that the base solution contains alcohol. Suppose the pure solution initially was contained alcohol. ये वाला part हम initially भूल जाते हैं. That 175 ml was water and 700 ml was alcohol. If I say I take 100% pure alcohol, suppose pure alcohol 100%, right? In that we saw from the milk wala example we took, the very first discussion we had, okay, 10% nikala matlab after 2 transactions it becomes 0.9 square. So alcohol ka percent agar pure alcohol liya hota would be 0.9 square, right? But you are not taking pure alcohol solution initially, right? Alcohol also is present in some fraction. What fraction it is? The fraction is 700 out of 175 plus 700, right? तो जिस fraction में alcohol initially मौजूद था उसी का 0.9 square हो जाएगा, right? This is exactly what happens here. 0.9 square is 0.81 into 700 by 875. You can cancel out both by 25. 25 2s are 50, 25 8s are 25, 375 5s are again cancel out 4 by 5. Okay, you have 0.81 into 4 divided by 5. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 3.24 divided by 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. So 0.648 is the fraction of alcohol after these two transactions. This amounts to 64.8% alcohol, right? अगर 100% सोल्यूशन है 64.8, अगर अल्कोहल है बचा कितना 35.2, दैट शुड बी द परसेंटेज ऑफ वाटर.